they started off with a giving thing. And you guys know how big I am on giving, donating money to charities and everything else like that. But some little girl who is 6 years old got a disease that will kill her within a year, and there's nothing the family can do. Right? I'm in the mastermind at the seat, starting off just crying, like, oh my God, this awful. I think about our son. But then he says, hey, here's the family, here's what we're doing, here's the nonprofit that you can go donate to, so that way we have more money going towards research to stop this disease. I love that shit, right? You're in a room full of multimillionaires. How can we get more money to this cause when everybody's there? Everybody's pockets are already open when we are there. In all honesty, right? You already paid X amount to get there. You're not going to mind spending a little bit more. But that to me was the biggest thing that stood out, is that still everybody at that level, some of you guys may be used to giving, some of you guys may not. I try and give as much as possible. They're still trying to give more. How can you give more? How can you have more impact? Because still at the same time, you're going to be making money. I don't know what money amount I'll be like truly satisfied and be looking for more impact, but I know I want more money, but I'm still looking for significantly more impact in my life. How can I help other people? How can I deliver more value? Like all of that good stuff. And so that made me feel really good.